Hey there, boys and girls. We are on page 14 of our Fall Math Box packet. This one says add, subtract, and multiply. Ooh, multiply. Input, output tables. Directions, use the rule to complete the table. So our direction here is going to be add 1. 23 goes to 24. 167 will go to 168. 845 we'll go to 846. 888 we'll go to 889. Now add 10, we're going to go to the tens column. We're still adding 1, right? We're just going to skip it over a column. So 528, 538. 382 we'll go to 392. 456 we'll go to 466. 567 we'll go to 577. Good. We're still just adding 1. We're just jumping over a place, right? Now we're going to add 100. Again, we're only counting by 1, just in the hundreds column. 799 we'll go to 899. 303 goes to 403. 419. 519. 563. 663. We're just adding 1 to the hundreds column. Now we're going to add 1,000. Again, we're only adding 1 to the thousands column. So 1 plus 1 is 2,200. 4 plus 1 is 5,100. 6 plus 1 is 7,000. And 3 plus 1 is 4,300. All right, now we're going to go down 1. Subtract 10. Take 1 off the tens column would be 178. Again, 1 off the tens column, 980. 456, we'll go to 446. 371, 361. This time we're going to only take 5 away, so we're not going to take a full 10 or 1. So 85, 5 minus 5 is 0, so 80. 178. 8 minus 5 is 3. 559. 9 minus 5 is 4. 906. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now we're going to subtract 20. So the cool thing about this is we're going to drop 2 from our tens column. So 756. 736. So 7543. 349 would be 432. 39, 3, 2, 1. Now here's a tricky one. Remember, it's really like taking away 2. So if I count backwards from 21, I would say 20, 19. Kind of like these here. So we count and we would go 75, 74, 73, 34, 33, 32, 23, 22, 21, 21, 20, 19. Now we're going to subtract 100. So 1 away from our hundreds column would be 329. We're going to take 1 away. 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't even have to write that down. 503 would be 400. 700 would be 600. 62. All right, so we are back. We are now going to do some multiplication. And we're going to do the multiply by 2, by 3, by 4, and by 5. So multiply by 2. If we're going to multiply it by 2, it's this number doubled. So we're going to do kind of really addition, right? So what's 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. Nice work. What's 10 plus 10? 20. 4 plus 4? 8. And 6 plus 6 is 12. Kind of a nice way to think about doing that. You just did multiply by 2. Now we're going to go by 3s. Okay? So we're going to think 3 of these. So 2, 4, 6. 5, 10, 15. 3, 6, 9. 4, 8, 12. Multiply by 4s. Okay, that's the double-double. Okay, so we can think of 3 times 4 as 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So we double it twice, right? So let's try 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. All right, here we go. Multiply by 5. We're going to count by 5s. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And there you go. Boys and girls, we did it. We finished page 14. Way to go.